And welcome back to my office. Today we're doing another Lego Harry Potter set build, and we're going to be tackling Hogwarts Express. This is set 75955, 801 pieces. Comes with its very own Dementor, the Trolley Witch, Remus Lupin, Ron Weasley, Harry Potter, and Hermione Granger. It'll be a nice section of King's Cross Station with platform 9 3/4 and our Hogwarts Express with a passenger cabin with enough room for all of our minifigures to hang out and enjoy their ride off to Hogwarts. And don't forget, if you want to win your very own Harry Potter Lego set, be sure to head down in the comments and let me know your favorite Harry Potter moments and your favorite Harry Potter memories. Then after you leave your comment, go ahead and click subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any more Harry Potter Lego set builds and chances to enter. Then at the end of the week, I'll be picking 1 or 2 lucky winners to receive their very own Harry Potter Lego set. Now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to stop rambling, we're going to tear into this box and we're going to get building our Harry Potter Hogwarts Express. And after that last Lego click, we have our very own Hogwarts Express and King's Cross Station from Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. Complete with a large section of King's Cross Station and platform 9 3/4 with a nice little footbridge over the railways that our Lego minifigures can take to platforms 9 to 10, where our magical Lego figures can use that awesome rotating wall to enter platform 9 3/4, where we shift to yellow light fixtures, a small Daily Prophet newspaper stand, and the Trolley Witch. When the Hogwarts Express pulls up, we are treated to a beautiful red engine with Technic coupling rods. And of course, we have our floating Death Eater on top of the carriage waiting to pop on in and give everyone a nice little spook. Overall, and I've seen a few Hogwarts Lego sets that I was checking out, I would say this one is definitely by far my favorite. It really just captures what Hogwarts Express is from when I was reading the books and from the movies itself. It's really just, it's definitely a beautiful set, and if you're a collector or you just enjoy them, I would definitely suggest this one. Don't forget, if you want to win your own Harry Potter Lego set, be sure to enter down below in the comments by letting me know your favorite Harry Potter moments and your favorite Harry Potter memories. Then after you leave a comment, be sure to click subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any more Harry Potter Lego set builds and chances to enter. And at the end of the week, I'll be picking 1 or 2 lucky winners to receive their very own Harry Potter Lego set. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna grab a cup of coffee, contemplate where I want to put this in the office, enjoy the day, maybe watch a Harry Potter movie, I don't know, probably will happen. I hope you're all enjoying your day, and as always, I will see you all in the next video very, very soon. Bye!